One other thing that I was curious about is this particular election. I assume you've had the opportunity in the past to run for school board, town council, who knows what else. Why county commissioner? Why now?
That's an excellent question. I've been asked that before because I find the county position such a good fit for me. I follow transportation. I follow infrastructure. I follow property rights. Property rights are huge, people. Without our property rights, we're nothing more than serfs, and there is such an infringement and such an assault today on our property rights. Many people are not aware. I'm aware. I serve on the Town of Prosper's Comprehensive Advisory Committee for 16 months, and that was to for a committee in Prosper to come up with a plan for the Town of Prosper, a 5 to 6 outlook for the Town of Prosper. Until I served on that committee for the 16 months, I never knew there were so many outside entities just rubbing their little hands together, wanting to get a hold of your city, town, or county and dictate how you're going to grow.
And let me ask, are there, of some of those issues that you've been concerned for in the past, any of those that you've gone to the Commissioner's Court regarding those issues in the past? Times you've gone there. I guess kind of the question behind that question is your level of involvement or participation in the Commissioner's Court.
Well, I have. I try to follow county goings-on. I focus so much on Prosper. That keeps me really busy, but here's what I do. The best kept secret in the world, ladies and gentlemen, are those citizen comments. And if I learn something that I find alarming that I want to get out, I will go to the Commissioner's Court. I will get up during citizen comments, the 3 minutes. That's usually all you need if you know your stuff, and to get it on the public record.
That's something you've done.
Yes, I have some. That is something I've done on several occasions, maybe 3 or 4. I'm not sure, but I have spoke on the public record. I believe in attending meetings and getting on the public record. I think that's very important.